All right, we just got back yesterday from beautiful Cape Cod. We spent a week on the Cape, and when we didn't take the bike, we had red. So today is the 16th.
Yep.
And it's a beautiful day. We're going to Benazet.
Back to Elk Country.
Back up, yeah. Hopefully we'll see some elk today. And our friends Bob and Amy leading the way. That's the way we like it. We just follow. So, stay tuned. And don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. If you notice, we got a few trees that are already starting to turn. The color is already starting, and it's the middle of September. Oh, there's gonna be some beautiful foliage rides. So make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss them. Well, we just gassed up at a Sheets and there's like red CanAm, a fire engine red CanAm.
Very pretty.
2013. Same year blue one was. And we told them we're going up to Benazet to see if we can see some elk, and they said that's where they're going. So we'll probably meet them up there. Oh, that's pretty. That's cute. Okay, so stay tuned, and like there is some changing of the foliage. Not so much here though. There's a lot more earlier. Well, stay tuned because we don't know what's going to happen. We're in Benazet on Route 555. Beautiful. It's a nice ride. We've been on this road a few times.
What do they call this? Something about endless mountains?
I don't know.
Yeah, the sign's coming up.
Okay, we're almost where we're going to go. I think.
Maybe have some luck.
So stay tuned. We're almost to Elk viewing area.
Yep. Is that tree house really cool?
Yeah, cool. Missed it. Well, I seen it, but I couldn't show the people. Well, this is our 4th time up here.
Yeah, hopefully we'll see one this time. And if we don't, we'll just have to come back again.
Absolutely. We're bound to see it. Well, we did see one on our first time.
Yeah, we did.
But it wasn't in the viewing area. It was on the side of the road over here.
Yep.
We run around in this area that we've seen it.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. It was just like looking at us.
Yeah, I think it was like right around in this corner.
Yeah.
Just sitting there.
Well, here's the viewing area. We'll be going up to it. We could have came in at a BBQ.
Well,
Elk burgers.
yeah. I'll pass.
We gotta try it. I gotta try one of these years.
Yeah, you do that. Because
the restaurant we stopped at had elk burgers, but I didn't try one. Well, we really didn't stop. We just drove to the parking lot. We're gonna go look at another one. The parking lot was pretty full. So we're gonna go
Winslow something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go find another one. Well, that was
Strike 4.
strike 3 for the day, and
Strike 4 for the season.
yeah, for the season.
Well, not over yet, but
A 4th time in this area, and we've only seen one. Unless we're lucky enough and something sneaks out on the side of the road. Elk, 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 elk. Oh.
if I had a pull tube, I could scream for one.
Yeah.
Blow into it. Makes us,
We need Aiden.
yeah.
Aiden to give the elk call.
Yeah.
If you don't know what we're talking about, go back a few videos when my daughter and the grandkids came to visit.
You got him good.
Okay, stay tuned. We might be able to find something. We're still looking. Here, pin turn. Whee! They have to take wide turns. We can take sharp turns.
Yeah.
Whee! Oh. Yeah. You gotta love this country. Beautiful squiggly roads. And steep.
Yeah.
We're in Driftwood. We've been on this road before.
Yes,
Big
we
surprise, right? So, it's a nice road. Railroad tracks below us about 75 feet down. You go off this road, you're in deep trouble.
Yeah. Deep, deep trouble.
A beautiful mountain through the valley. Isn't this so nice? It's a beautiful day. I got 77 degrees on the 16th of September. I'm not even gonna say where we are.
Cinemahoning.
You got that? Cinnamahoney.
Yep.
Hey, I think I got it. Wow. This is the big town. Okay, Bonnie, does this place look familiar? Right there.
I'm Bonnie's place.
And there's a cool bridge. Train bridge. I think we'll go look for waterfalls. We'll go down them dirt roads again.
Oh, Jesus, no, we're not.
No, no?
We're not.
Never up for an adventure. I don't know. The Blue Bridge. Here we go, over the Blue Bridge. Whee! Beautiful river. Bonnie, does this look familiar? All right, off and running. Oh, a big willow tree. Wow.
Cool. Never seen one of those like that in years.
Yep. Okay, put our jackets on and we're roasting.
Yeah.
day. We still got 75 degrees. No elk though. Maybe next time. That's pretty. Coming on the side of the mountain, the sun coming across from the trees. Got some more coming up. I know it's here somewhere. It's only 9 minutes to 5. That was a sharp corner. There we go. And you got the sun coming through the tops of the trees.
Yeah, point the camera that way.
This is Route 879, I believe.
Point the camera that way. When you come right on top of the bridge. Point the camera that way. Sign language, honey. Never mind.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Cutting through the rocks. Okay, stay tuned. I know you're tired of hearing that too. Okay. Hey, it's one or the other. Or both. We got some scenery over here. Yeah. We're still putting along. It's almost 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
And all is well. Oh, I ran over some Amish poop.
Amish poop? Oh, shit.
That's what it was. Hey, let's see what's going next. Oh, that's not too bad. We're into the sun. You got a beautiful view of the sun. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a rainbow, but it's not raining, so it's whatever they call that.
It's like two suns.
Let us know.
It's two suns.
Let us, two suns. Oh, I looked into the sun and I got blinded. So if you know what that is, leave us a comment. This is a test. See if you're paying attention. Here we are. Beautiful downtown Puxie. Where are you, Phil? 1, 2, 3, brake test. Hi. Phil, where are you? You, Phil.
Wait, yours.
We still have a beautiful sun. Ah, that's bright. Still a beautiful day. The scenery's good. Knock on wood. Clock, clock, clock. We've only seen 2 deer so far.
He just jinxed it.
What?
You just jinxed yourself.
I know. As long as they stay away from the road, we're happy. We'll spy them from a distance. Okay, stay tuned for more. There might be a couple more clips, we don't know. So keep watching. Yeah. How's that? It looks sun, the clouds came in and made the sun look neat. Home sweet home. It's 7:01. And since we gassed up, I got 156 since we gassed up. So,
like I said, I think I'm pushing more towards
the 200 mark.
200 mark, yep.
Alrighty.
Thanks for coming along.
We're home.